Hi everyone, Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the coolest and most useful Excel tools out there. If you're looking for an easy way to go from zip code to time zone in Excel, you're in the right place. Every week, we bring you tools designed to save time, automate processes, eliminate human error, and help you become more efficient overall. Over the past 16 years, we've helped more than 7,500 clients, from small businesses to large enterprises, streamline their workflows and save countless hours. We consistently receive feedback from users about how these tools cut down on tedious manual work, reduce errors, and free them up to focus on more critical tasks. Don't just take my word for it. We have over 130 five-star reviews on Google from real people who've seen the benefits firsthand. The tool I want to show you today was born out of a specific need from one of our clients. They needed to organize a massive list of their customers by time zone, and it's not easy figuring out the best time to call hundreds or even thousands of clients across different locations. That's where our Time Zone Finder tool comes in. Here's how it works. First, you download and open the tool. The link is in the description. Then, enter your addresses, cities, or zip codes in the first column, column A. It doesn't matter if the data isn't perfectly formatted. The tool is powered by the Google Maps Time Zone API, so it's flexible and forgiving. After you click Generate, you'll instantly get a cleaned, full address plus the corresponding time zone. The tool also lets you know if daylight saving time is currently in effect, which is especially important for places like Arizona that don't observe DST. You even get a clickable link to view the current time and date in that location. Everything's built right inside Excel, so you can copy, paste, sort, filter, and manipulate the data any way you like. There's also a clear button to reset the data if you want to start fresh. We know every business has different needs. So if you need adjustments or extra features, or if there's any other project you'd like to automate, we're here to help. Our contact details are in the description below. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this tool helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tools and tips. Until next time, happy calculating.